Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to add music to your website at connect.dataczar.com. So the first thing we're going to do is go to dataczar.com. We're going to get logged in. We're going to click on the login button, and we're actually already logged in. So it takes us straight to the dashboard on the main menu. Let's get rid of that, and we're going to go full screen. So to work on your website, to add the music to your website, you're going to click on the website button here. And you can add the music to a post or to a page. We're going to go ahead and add it to a page today, but a post or a page will work. So let's tab over. This is our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. This is our home page here. We're going to add it right down here under our newsletter sign up notation. And we're going to add a autoplay bar and also a manual play bar. So let's tab back over to Connect. And we recommend the manual play over the autoplay. Autoplay, the music automatically comes on, and most people viewing that don't necessarily like that. So giving them the manual option is probably preferred. So let's go ahead and go to Pages. So we're on the website button. We're going to click on Pages to work on our website. And we're going to click on the home index page. So we're going to click Edit right here. And we're going to scroll down. And this is the editing box down here. And let's just scroll this down here. We're going to scroll down. We're going to add it here. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit our code. The first thing we need to do, though, before we edit our code is we need to add the MP3 to our content. So actually, let's jump over to the content button right here. And we're going to go ahead and choose a file because we're going to add an MP3 file. And that's the music that we're going to be adding. So let's go ahead and locate the file real quick here. And we have this one and this one. I'm just going to scroll down, and here it is. So let me double click on that. So it's adding the MP3 file right now. And once you see the green check mark, then you know it's in My Files. So we're going to go over to My Files. And actually, we have it on here twice. So we're going to go ahead and copy the link. So just click OK. We already had it preloaded, it appears. So let's go ahead and click OK on that. And we copied the link. Now we're going to go back to the website button and back to Pages to edit our home page. We're going to click on the Edit button under Home Index. We're going to scroll down here to the editing box. And down here is where we're going to add it. So let's go ahead and click on Edit Code and Source Code. And then we're going to add it down here at the bottom. So we're just going to hit Enter on a new line. First thing we're going to do is we're going to paste in the code right there. And we're going to save that for later. Let's go out of full screen. Now we got to get the embed code, the code to embed it in from our help site. So now we're going to go to help.dataczar.com. This is our help site. And go to Website Help here and click on More Topics. And then you're going to click on Add Music to your website. So you're going to help.dataczar.com. You're going to click on Add Music to your website. And what you're looking for is you're looking for these codes. Here's an autoplay code and a manual play code. We're just going to go ahead and copy the code right here. This is for the autoplay. So we're going to go ahead and start with that one. Let's go back to Connect over here where we left off, and we're just going to click Enter again. We're going to paste in the code, and then where it says MP3 link goes here, we're going to highlight that, hit backspace to remove it, and we're going to copy this right here. That's the code that we got from our content. This is the URL for the MP3. So we're going to do Control X and remove it, and then we're going to put it right back in here where we took out the notation. And we're going to go through this one more time with the manual play code. So let's go ahead and hit OK. And we need to update. It's right there. So we're going to go ahead and click Update. So let's do it one more time for the manual play. And so what we do is we go down here to our content, first of all. We go to My Files. That's where we added the MP3 file. And then we're going to go ahead and copy the code again. So we're copying the MP3 URL back to the website button, back to pages, back to editing our home index page. And then we're going to scroll down and we're going to edit the code here. Click on the source code. And then again, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to paste it in here. So that's the MP3 URL. Then we're going to go over to the help site. This time we're going to copy the manual barcode. And the manual bar would be on the bottom. This is the preferred one. And we're going to go back to Connect. We're going to click Enter. We're going to go ahead and paste in the code from the help site. And then the MP3 file, we're going to remove it here. So we do Control X, and then we're going to paste it in where it says MP3 link goes here in between the quotations. So you just hit backspace and then Control V and paste it in. So now we have both of those pasted in, and we're going to click OK and scroll down. So we have both of them there. We have the autoplay and we have the manual play. Let's go ahead and update. So whenever you make a change, you update. And we can go ahead and we can get rid of this now. And we're going to go back to full screen. And we're going to tab back over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. And now we're going to refresh the screen because we added those, the autoplay and the manual play. So let's go ahead and refresh the screen. And as you can see, the autoplay is already playing, and it's quite loud. It's playing in my ear right now. So I'm going to go ahead and stop that. And if I was yelling, it's because the music was so loud. So anyway, I went ahead and stopped that. And then here's the manual play button. And again, this is probably the preferred button would be the manual play over the autoplay. Let's tab back over to Connect. And one other thing I want to show you is this support button right here. If you have any questions, you need any assistance, click on that support button and you can contact us. So let's see here. What can I help you with? Let's see here. I need help adding music to my website. And then you just hit send and it sends us a message and then we can contact you back. So message sent. So remember that you have the help button down there. So let's go back to dashboard. And that's it. That's how you add music to your website at Dataczar Connect.